Joyce Luis Aliel Pinheiro. CTP Bravo Company Commander Janice Belza. CTP Bravo Company XO Lorraine Angela Bacares. First Platoon Leader Girls Janine Patriarca. Second Platoon Leader Girls Risa Permelona. MAPE Company Commander Giselle Calibara. MAPE Company XO John Raymond Paco. First Platoon Leader Jamer Peña. Second Platoon Leader Marian Gasser. School Head Jaime P. Picasso Jr. CTP MAPE Facilitator Alan P. Ortua. Major Coordinator Carla Marie Respeto. DXMC DLC Coordinator Roel Purisima. Anthony Linso, Assistant CTP Facilitator. Maria Niasa Ignacio, Assistant Majors Coordinator. MC number 22, San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 22, San Ramon Pilot National High School from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 23, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur.